Bird intelligence is something that's always fascinated me. I've been amazed at how intelligent birds can be. You take the examples out of nature with the lammergeiers dropping the bones from a height to shatter them on rocks so they can go down and get the marrow out, or the raven that sits on the side of the road and puts nuts on the road so that the vehicles will drive over it and break the nuts for them as the vehicles go by, or at a truck stop in the desert where you see the sparrows in the local truck stop, and as the cars come in and people go in to have their refreshment and fill up with fuel, the sparrows will go underneath the car to pluck out all the insects that the cars carried across the highway and brought the food to them. They have a quick feed, then the car goes away, and then another car comes along with another feed. It's amazing how birds have learnt things. And this is tested by scientists, and to see how sophisticated that intelligence is and how rapidly they can learn. And there's a cockatoo in Indonesia, which has been a popular bird in scientific research to see how intelligent it is. And large cockatoos are very intelligent animals. They have a very large brain relative to the size of their body. And they've been able to train cockatoos to use a tool to get food from a device. And that's not so remarkable, you might think. Then they've worked out that they can have a device built in a way where the cockatoo needs to pick up the tool and take it to the device and then use the device to get food. And again, not so remarkable perhaps. Then they train the cockatoo to use two different tools to do two different operations to then get the food. And they can do that, pick up one tool and do it, pick up another. But here is the rub with this particular research. This particular species of cockatoo, when the device is put at an elevated spot and the bird has to take both tools with it to that site to use both, they can remember that they need both tools and take both with them because they can't do it either on their own, use both in sequence, then to get the food. That's really starting to show intelligence. And it's only chimpanzees and humans that have that capacity to use a number of different items, like in effect a toolkit, to actually use to extract food from a particular place. So bird intelligence is something we're starting to really hone in on and understand more. But some species of birds, ravens and cockatoos in particular, are amazing at what they can learn to do. And the things that we are learning about this process is helping us understand cognitive behaviour in humans as well. Hi, I hope you've just enjoyed watching that YouTube clip that I've produced. If you do like the clips that I'm doing, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my material with some of your friends. That would be great. I'm sure you know many people that would also enjoy hearing about birds from around the world on my YouTube channel. Thank you.